Hey, we should talk to Grant.
Yeah, Grant. Oh, he was great at running those meetings. They were organized and you knew what to expect.
And they were short.
Oh, right.
I think he's over in R&D now. Let's see if he's there. I'll give him a call.
Okay.
I mean, how did you manage to make all your meetings so productive?
My secret. Well, for starters, everybody has to know why they're at the meeting. What have they gathered together to achieve? This is your driver. This is how you keep everybody on track. So, I guess you could say that my first secret is this. Set expectations. And that goes for everybody who will attend. So I'd always create an agenda up front with a clear purpose and goals before I invited everybody. And I wouldn't hit the send button until I'd ask myself one more time, should this meeting be held, or is there another way to do this? Thanks, Starla. That is an excellent suggestion. When you give credit where credit is due, others notice. And they're more likely to offer their input as well. I want to know net. And try calling on those with relevant experience if they haven't already spoken up. Nora, in your customer survey, did you have some specific questions on product satisfaction over the long term?
Yes, as a matter of fact, we did, and it covered both the short term and the long term.
Okay, but what if the meeting gets bogged down or goes every which way?
Well, that's another secret. Really use your agenda.
Product line versus a brand identity.
Sometimes you just have to cut the discussion off. Sorry to interrupt, but what I'd like to do now is note your suggestion down. If you know everyone well, you can be blunt. If not, you can still interrupt tactfully. Right now, let's all get back to the agenda item on customer satisfaction. Another way to stop off-track discussions is by taking a moment to summarize how far you've gotten towards achieving the goals of the meeting. It gets people back on track and reorients the discussion.